so good in the sun though. So we're about to head out. Bro, it smells good. But we're about to leave to the meet with the boys and the 1M, and we're taking the 392 to the meet. So just stay tuned. But like it's all the way over there, and as you can see, there's a whole line right now.
You see the fucking cars all
over there? My bad. All the way over there. But it's a clean G-turn in the front, but he's a fucking douchebag because he crosses over. Put up to the event, it's right there. What the? Whoa. Oh my god. Supercharger. Riding that flexed up. Oh man. You never see these on the road. Never. You're so taller than the car. You're so tall. Man. Manual, as you know. Basically, there's like every car you can think about here. Man. You don't want to lose him. Dude. I know. GTRs for days. Oh my god. Wide body. The wide body. Damn.
It's the daddy of mine.
Damn, look at these wheels. Are fun. Man. You know, we got the wide body thing right here. The NSX is clean. Oh my god. Mugen seeds. Dude, he's flexing, dude. Oh my god. That looks...
These must go into his chest.
There's literally every car here. F80. Red interior too. Oh man. GTR boys. Right hand drive. What is this? This a Viper? Dude. This is sick.
Oh,
yeah.
Airlift?
Yeah. Bro, that's a fucking Bentley here. V12 boys. Must be nice. Look at the interior. I know, right? It's a lot of money, man.
I love the stitching. I don't know about that too.
There's like so many cool cars here. Bentleys here. Purple Monte here too. Yo, I know, right? Must be nice, right? Must be nice. A Venti. Nah, I came here for the McLaren, man. Oh my god. Carbon everywhere. Yo, see this shit? This shit is shooting flames on the top. McLaren's for days. Oh. Oh my. This car is insane. Dude. 600. Oh, the flips are like 5 feet. Like, it's crazy. Another R8 V10. VRS. We got it. Bro, of course. Dopest car, bro. That's a V10, bro. Man. And you know, out of nowhere, there's an M5 here. Clean interior. Oh man. Must be nice. Oh my god. Then we have the Aliso. Dude, how do you even drive this? Dude, how do you even drive this? You see that mirror right there? That's a tiny ass mirror, dude. And then we have the Pista. Must be nice. Carrera. Yes. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Combination of analog and
Manual 2? Manual 2? Man. Out of nowhere. The red or something. God. I know, same. Man, I've seen this AMG so many times, bro, and I still can't. Dude, looks so good. I know, right? Baller. I know. Alright. Try to maybe be right there. Oh, I think it must go right there. It's so low to the ground. Twin turbo? What? That's crazy. River Drive?
Oh yeah.
Twin? You're a madman. I'm sorry. You're a man. Bro, that's sick. Oh man. It's a beautiful car. Beautiful cars. HRE wheels. He flexing right now. Toe hook. I know. It's crazy. That's rad, though. This guy right here. Yo.
The color of that.
Dude. This GT3 right here. Man. It's so low to the ground too. GT3 is super clean. This shit right here. Oh my god. Must be nice. Must be nice. Oh my god. Dude, SVJ is nice, but dude, when you come over here, it's a whole different level. Carbon fiber literally everywhere. Regera, Bugatti. Dude, this is just crazy. Got the red interior. 918. Oh man. That's crazy. Dude. Sean, you see the brakes? The brakes are huge. I bet. Oh.